Are you facing issues with downloading Instagram on your PC? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to fix the Instagram downloading problem on your computer. First up, let's start with a simple yet effective solution: restart your device. Oftentimes, a quick restart can help resolve temporary glitches or conflicts that may be hindering the downloading process. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable connection and consider switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. It's also important to check for any pending device updates. Ensuring your operating system is up to date is crucial, as outdated software can sometimes lead to compatibility issues with apps like Instagram. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily. These services can sometimes interfere with the functionality of the app and may be causing the downloading problem. And if all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Instagram's official support channels for further assistance. They have dedicated support teams ready to help you troubleshoot and resolve any issues you may be experiencing. By following these steps, you should be able to tackle the Instagram downloading problem on your PC effectively. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on resolving tech issues.